Good morning, Emma. Could you walk me through the production process for our new marketing campaign?
Sure, Mr. Harris. The process starts with the planning stage. Here, we define the campaign goals, target audience, and key messages.
I see. What is this stage for exactly?
It helps us make sure that everyone understands the purpose of the campaign and what results we want to achieve before we move on to production.
Makes sense. So, where does it start after the planning stage?
After planning, we move to the content creation stage. That's where our design team produces visuals, videos, and written materials based on the strategy.
And how do you control the quality during that part?
We have several checkpoints. First, every piece of content is reviewed by the marketing manager. Then, we test some of the materials with a small audience to get feedback before the final release.
That's a good approach. What happens after content creation?
The final stage is distribution. We launch the campaign through different channels, social media, email marketing, and online ads, and monitor performance through analytics tools.
Excellent. It sounds well structured. Make sure the whole team follows this process closely for the upcoming campaign.
Of course, Mr. Harris. I'll also prepare a summary report for the team to keep everyone on track.
Hi, Anna. I heard you've been working on a new idea for our international market launch. Could you tell me more about it?
Sure, Mr. Lewis. Our team is developing a smart, reusable coffee cup designed for eco-conscious consumers in Europe and Asia. The main goal is to promote sustainability while expanding our brand internationally.
Sounds interesting. What is this stage for exactly?
This stage is for market analysis. We're studying consumer behavior and identifying local partners who can help us distribute the product effectively in each country.
I see. So, where does it start exactly?
It starts with gathering data from our target regions. We analyze coffee consumption habits, pricing expectations, and environmental trends. Then we move on to testing prototypes in 2 pilot markets, Germany and Japan.
Good. And how do you control the quality during the production process?
We have strict standards. First, we work with certified suppliers to ensure the materials meet international safety and environmental requirements. Then, each batch is inspected before packaging and shipping. We also collect customer feedback to improve the next production cycle.
Excellent approach. When do you expect the first batch to be ready for launch?
If everything goes as planned, we'll be ready by mid-December. The marketing team is already preparing localized campaigns for each region.
Great work, Anna. Make sure you keep me updated on the pilot results and any adjustments needed for the full launch.
Of course, Mr. Lewis. I'll prepare a progress report next week.
Good. What happens after this stage?
After the pilot launch, we'll evaluate the market response and adapt our strategy for full-scale production. We'll also negotiate with additional distributors in North America and Oceania to expand our reach globally.
That's a solid plan. And why is this step important?
It's important because it allows us to reduce risks before investing in mass production. By analyzing real customer feedback and market data, we can make data-driven decisions that ensure long-term success in different regions.
Excellent reasoning, Anna. It sounds like your team has everything under control. Keep up the great work.
Thank you, Mr. Lewis. I'm confident this project will set a new standard for our international business strategy.